You must have met a person who has two distinct sides of changeable personality. You could never understand which of his emotion was real and which one was an illusion. Maybe you just have come across a Gemini. So let us talk about Gemini in a bit detail. Gemini is a mutable sign. Its element is air. Its ruling planet is Mercury. Gemini's astrological symbol is twin. Gemini people changes their mind and emotions quickly. As a result of it, their jobs, house, friends and love life keeps on changing. These people generally borrow the books for reading. They generally read the books in reverse manner, and that too with brief scanning. Gemini are generally taller than average. These people speak fast, never rest their eyes on a single object for long. They have quick moving eyes. Geminis have an ageless appearance. They usually look younger than their real age. Females usually have pretty face with beautiful features. It's hard to win an argument with a Gemini. They are clever, witty, and sharply satirical. They can bounce from one topic to other so quickly. Geminis can do many tasks at one time. They hate daily boring routine and they need something exciting. These people are short of being punctual. Geminis love to disguise their true motives. They are expert at managing human relationships. With their clever mind, they can be great politicians because of their quality to fascinate people with the art of making them agree with their ideas. Gemini people are great writers. They can write speeches, commercials, documents, plays, and books. But they avoid writing about themselves because they realize the fact about themselves that the belief system is not a stagnant one but keep on changing day by day. These people have knowledge of many languages. Not all but some Mercury people have a tendency to fool others. This may lead to dishonesty and even criminal activity. If a Gemini chooses to be a criminal, he seldom gets caught. Promotions, sales, and advertising are the professions a Gemini is made for. He can reach heights of success as a salesperson or promoter in a business. A Gemini is all about mental activity. These people need a break from their daily busy schedule and rest for a while to avoid emotional breakdown. Geminis are susceptible to accidents and infections of shoulders, arms, heads, and fingers. They may also suffer from arthritis and migraine headaches. Gemini is a mental explorer. Whatever he owns is never enough. He always needs more to explore. Grass is always greener across the road for him. Gemini is intelligent, sharp, and multi-talented with great humor, tact, and diplomacy. But he lacks persistence and patience. He is the one who can throw the old gold coin for a new shiny silver one, which makes him regret for his choices. A Gemini needs to recognize its duality, his twin desires, and need to be in touch with his own heartbeat to listen the melody of true peace and happiness. Gemini people have a reputation of being flat. In fact, anything exciting appeals them, and they seem to be expert to date with their fascinating communication skills and charming personality. Being an air sign, freedom is very dear to them. Geminis hesitate to get entangled with emotional responsibilities for long term. But if they meet someone who seems to be truly fascinating and they feel safe with them, they can go for a long-term relationship. Best partners for a Gemini are Libra and Aquarius. Leo and Aries also proves to be great companions. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. If you want to appreciate me, please like it, share it and subscribe it. And if you want to get the notifications for my upcoming videos, please press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.